edition of Culture Lyrics Buckle. Yesterday we were supposed to wrap up this episode. Unfortunately, the fans are saying that they need another round, so therefore we have to give them another round. Fans, it's only 2 minutes, so therefore Rap-A-Lot gonna have to stay in your corner, War Professor stay in your corner. Each opponent get 8 bars only. Do the thing in that 8 bars. Rap-A-Lot, you go first. Rap-A-Lot, go!
I'm killing you today, nigga, there ain't no hope. You probably came here on a banana boat. Vitamin D, your girl sick, I got the antidote. Use a fruit, you're looking like a cantaloupe. Talking all that bad man shit, but nobody believes ya. To come to my country, nigga, you need a visa. Ugly lookalikes, I can't make y'all out. I'm with Donald Trump's nigga, I'm trying to get y'all out. Fucking Aki, use a fish like your national dish. Nigga, use a rookie. Jamaican bitches on the dance floor, they got blocks in they pussy.
Ooh. Ooh. Stay over there, don't move. War Professor, you already know. It's your turn. This is how we do it. You got 8 bars. Go ahead.
Yo, lyrics when me drop it, I got earth harder. You just vex, can come here and work harder.
Ooh.
Yankee, your face, girl, put her a scrap pan. Before me even done the whole place, that's a yard man. 245, you for spray 90. All your grandmother get shot in her 90. As man land off for the plane, the Yankee a fight with. Yo, we little but them not tell her what. Like we gunshot, crack skull, brain cell, clot them wet. Plus me have more bars than we cartel them.
Okay, that's it. Folks, we have got to vote right now. We gotta wrap this up because we got Abibi and he wants to spit. He wants to go against the winner.